Welcome. In this session, we are going to compute logarithm in RStudio. Let's get started. Logarithm basically is the inverse operation to exponentiation. You can see that you can read this article at Wikipedia, which specifies the logarithm of x to base b is denoted by log b of x, which is the unique real number y, such that b of y is equal to x. For example, we can compute log for base 2 for the value 64 is equal to 6 and 64 is equal to 2 raised to the power 6. So logarithm basically is an inverse operation to exponentiation in which log 2 of 64 will give you value 6. So we can compute that. Basically, logarithms which compute base 10 are called common logarithms, and we can go for binary logarithms and other logarithms as well. Some of the common applications of logarithms are identified, wherein you can perform analysis on the algorithms which has the capacity to distribute a large problem into small problems and then patch it up. And you can see that in the applications section here. Actually, these logarithms are generally found at analysis of algorithms that solve a problem by dividing it into two similar smaller problems and patching their solutions. Let's see how we can compute that in RStudio. In RStudio, logarithms and exponentials can be easily computed using a log function. The log function allows you to compute natural logarithms, common logarithms, binary logarithms, and you can specify any specific base as well. In order to execute that, I would like to take a sample logarithm of base 64 of base 2 for the value 64. So I would like to compute the logarithm for 64 and the base will be binary 2. So once we execute that, you get the value somewhat like 6. So this means 2 raised to the power 6 is equal to 64. So in such a case, if you want to compute the logarithm of 64 with respect to base 10 and this gives you a value of 1.80618 or something. So easily we can take the values of logs and we can keep the values of logs into variables. Let's say I have saved that into A. I would like to take the value of 64 with respect to base 2, and once I execute, I get the value 6, and if I want to print that out, we can do that stuff. So this is how we can compute logarithm mathematical functions in our RStudio. Thank you for watching.